Well, my friends, we've just dropped off the 1912-13 KNOX at the fire truck facility where they do all the restoration of fire trucks. And it's got a great home and it's going to do very well. I'm going to give you one quick little walkthrough. This is where they're storing these pieces now, since a little bit of a problem. They didn't want to take a chance on having people do any damage to the museum where they were at. And so they brought them here. So you get an idea. This is some absolutely fantastic trucks. And yes, they do have a lot of trucks. Why do you ask? I want to show you the one quickly that they're just now finishing. It is absolutely the most fantastic piece you'll ever see. Look at that. Look at the work on that. And the gold leafing and so forth. These were absolute works of art. And this is how they start out. And it only takes $300,000-400,000 and you can make them look like that. So anybody can do it. This is a big ALF engine sitting here getting ready to be completely restored. That's a little Rio engine right there that's going to be restored. But look at this place. This is a lot of goodies. So I thought you'd get a kick out of it. You ought to come out and see this. This is some of the great fire trucks, period. And this is all, you know, from, a lot of them are from LA. And here's a big Mac. You can tell by the very special hood on them. Look at this. They're absolutely fantastic. So anyhow, big and little, they're all here. I would suggest that you come down and see these sometime. It's a marvelous, marvelous museum with some fantastic fire history here. Look at these things. Aren't they beautiful? This is just in the midst of the final throes of being restored. Absolutely fantastic. So do come down. This is the Stutz. So do come down and see this fire museum. It's wonderful. Anyhow, we're saying goodbye to our little friend here. And we're so delighted that it came here. And they're going to keep it pretty much as it was. Just find all the stuff that was missing, which is what we would all do, and put it back to the way it was, but leave it like it is so people can actually see. Maybe restore one half of the side, something like that. Anyway, see ya.